In today's video, I will walk you through how to find your wallet address on dYdX. Once your wallet is connected, you'll see your wallet information available from your account or wallet menu. Open the wallet or account menu to view your connected wallet details. Depending on the wallet you're using, you may see your wallet address displayed directly or as a shortened version for easier viewing. If the address is abbreviated, look for a copy address. This option will automatically copy it to your clipboard, so you can paste it wherever it's needed. Many wallets also include a QR code that represents your wallet address. If available, you can display this QR code for someone to scan instead of manually copying and pasting the address. This can make receiving cryptocurrency faster and reduce the chance of typing errors. Before sending funds to your wallet, always double-check that you're using the correct network and that the asset you're transferring is supported. Sending assets to an incompatible address or network can result in the loss of funds. Remember that your wallet address is public and can safely be shared for receiving cryptocurrency. However, you should never share your wallet's recovery phrase, private key, or any other sensitive security information with anyone. And that's how to find your wallet address on dYdX.